Hi guys, good day and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to share to you how to derive the two formulas in converting temperature. Specifically, when we have a temperature given in degrees Celsius and we need to convert it into degree Fahrenheit and vice versa. But before we proceed to our derivation, I give you a trivia regarding to these two units of temperature. The unit Celsius was named after the Swedish astronomer Anders Celsius. In this unit of temperature, the boiling point and freezing point are 100 degrees and 0 degree respectively. On the other hand, the unit Fahrenheit was named after the German physicist Gabriel Daniel Fahrenheit. In this unit of temperature, the boiling point and freezing point are 212 degrees and 32 degrees respectively. So let's proceed to our objective. As you can see, we have a figure of thermometer here, having the centigrade scale at the left side and Fahrenheit scale at the right side. We have a difference of boiling point and freezing point here. That's why we have 100 minus 0 here. Same as the Fahrenheit scale, we have a difference between boiling point and freezing point. That's why we have 212 minus 32 here. At this point of thermometer, we have a reading here. That's why we have difference between degree Celsius minus freezing point, which is 0 degree. Same as the Fahrenheit scale, that's why we have degree Fahrenheit here minus 32. By ratio and proportion, we can derive the two formulas. Let's start here. Degree Celsius minus 0 over this one, 100 minus 0, equals to degree Fahrenheit minus 32 over 212 minus 32. So when we write this into equation, this will become C minus 0 C minus 0 over 100 minus 0 equals to F minus 32 over 212 minus 32. And simplifying both sides of the equation, we can get C over 100 equals to F minus 32 over 180. And multiplying both sides of the equation by 100 so that we can get rid 100 here. So we can get C equals to, substitute 100 to the right side of our equation, we can get 100F minus 3,200 over 180. And getting the lowest term, by simply dividing the numerator and denominator by 20, we can get 5F minus 160 over 9. And by factoring out the right side of our equation, we can get C equals to 5 over 9 quantity F minus 32. So that's our formula for Celsius. Let's derive now for the formula of Fahrenheit. We use again this equation. So C minus 0 over 100 minus 0 equals to F minus 32 over 212 minus 32. Simplifying again, we can get C over 100 equals to F minus 32 over 180. And multiplying both sides of the equation, by 180 so that we can get rid 180 at the right side of our equation, we can get 180C. Substituting 180 to the left side equals to 180C over 100 equals to F minus 32. Getting the lowest term, by dividing by 20, we can get 9 over 5 C equals to F minus 32. Adding both sides by 32, we can get 9 over 5 C plus 32 equals to F. And 32 was already cancelled out because adding with different signs. So rewriting this equation, our formula will now become F is equal to 9 over 5 C plus 32. So that's our formula for Fahrenheit. So we already derived the formula for Celsius when we have a temperature given in degree Fahrenheit. Just simply substitute here so that we can get an answer in degree Celsius. Same as the Fahrenheit formula. Just simply substitute the temperature given in degree Celsius so that we can convert it into degree Fahrenheit. That's it guys. I hope you learned something from this video and hope you like it. If do, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to hit the post notification bell right over there so that you'll be notified on my next upload. Thank you guys for watching.